Yes, you are warmly welcome to my channel. If today is your first time tuning into my channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest update. Like, share, and leave your comments down below. Yes, your comments are very important to me. If you don't understand anything, don't hesitate to drop it under the comment section and I will humbly answer you. Today I'm about to teach you how you can use miracles to make someone fall in love with you. If your relationship is at the verge of collapsing, don't worry, try to watch this video to the end. If there is this girl that you want to fall in love with you, then do this particular direction and you'll get her. Or there is this guy that you want to fall in love with you, do this and you'll get him. Or your girlfriend wants to leave you or your boyfriend wants to leave you, don't worry, try to do this particular love spell and he will love you. He or she will love you profusely. He or she will love you beyond your imagination, beyond what you can think of. In fact, it is super powerful love spell as far as love spell is concerned. Let me let you know this. Here we teach, we learn, and we practice health, and my teachings have no religious restriction. So if you are Christian, you can do it. If you are Muslim, you can participate in it. Hindu, you can also do it. If you are Buddha, you are not left out. It is all inclusive for direction and teachings that I teach here. No one is left out. So try to practice it and get good result out of it. As I've already told you, today we are here to use miracles to make someone fall in love with else. This is what you will do. You go and just procure a miracle, that is a single miracle like I'm holding man over here. Then you go and buy brand new padlock. You get yourself a red thread. I'm just using this thread to set an example, and this old padlock I'm using it to set an example. You buy brand new padlock and you get a red thread. Then you get your pen. The pen, you can buy red pen or blue pen, and for if those who are using marker, you can buy red marker or blue marker to do this particular love spell. And the one thing that is very important is also the target's name. You have to get the name of the person that you want to win the heart of, that you want to gain the love of. You have to get the name of the person. Then when you have all these materials ready with you, then this is what you will do. You write the target's name on the miracle, that is on top of the miracle list. So I'm just doing this to win the heart of Monica, and so I'm supposed to write Monica's name on top of the miracle, because every list has a made rib that is dividing the list into two. So this is what you do. You write it on top, that is the top side. I'm writing Monica, 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 Monica. Yes, it's Monica for you. That is my target. The person that I want to fall in love with me is Monica. Then you write your name. You that you are doing the direction or the spell, you write your name down. So let me write Prince, 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 Prince. Yes. Oh, sorry. Prince. Yes, so Prince is doing this direction to win the heart of Monica. Prince is doing this direction to win the heart of Monica. When you are done writing the names, this is what you will do. You will fold it. You will fold it towards you like this. You fold the miraculous towards you like this. Then you fold it once again towards you like this. Then you just place it on the padlock. Then you just take your red thread. You take your red. I'm just using this white thread to set an example. You use red thread instead of white. You take your red thread, then you start tying it. You start tying. As you are tying, you say out your prayer request. I mean your heart desire. As in, let me set an example. Monica, I want you to love me. Monica, I want you to obey me. I want you to do my heart desire. I want you to fall for me down flat. I want you to submit yourself to me. I want you to love me till eternity. You say all your heart desires. Yes, you say how you want your partner to love you, what you want to see in your relationship. Yes, say positive things, because whatever you say here is going to appear in your relationship. Monica, I want you to do all my heart desire. I want you to obey me. I want you to trust me. I don't want any other guy to, share you with me. No, I don't want any third party between us. I want us to be together forever. Yes, then you say out your heart desire. You say all that you need from that particular person. Yes, if you are a woman doing this, you say the kind of thing that you need from your man or from your target. You say out that thing that you need from the person that you are doing this Lovespell for. When you are done saying your heart desires, this is what you do. You break you pause over there, then you just lock it. You lock it. Yes, you lock it. Before you lock it, you mention the name of the person 3 times. I'm just doing this to win the heart of Monica, so I'm mentioning the name of Monica 3 times. Monica, Monica, Monica. I want you to love me. I want you to obey me. I want you to trust me. I want you to do all my wish. Then I want you to love me till eternity. Then you lock it. When you are done locking it, this is what you will do. You will remove the key, then you place it on the miraculous like this. Then you start tying it again. You tie the thread, yes, around the key again and the padlock again. Then you keep on saying your prayers. I mean your heart desires. Monica, I want us to be together forever. Yes, I want us to be lovers forever. I want you to love me forever and ever. I want you to trust me. I want you to obey me. I want you to, do as I say. I want all my wish to be your command. Then you say all your prayers. You keep on saying all your prayers. You keep on saying all your heart desire. So when you are done saying all your prayers, this is what you will do. You will just take the whole of this thing out, and then you will throw it on a refuse dump, or throw it in a public toilet, or you can also throw it in a mud. That is it. When you are done doing this, in fact, the target or the person that you did this Lovespell for will love you till eternity. Will keep on loving you. Yes, the person cannot stop thinking about you. The person cannot stop loving you. The person will love you till eternity. The person will obey you, will trust you. The person will not listen to any rumors about you. It is very powerful Lovespell. Yes, go and do it and come here with your testimony. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest update. Like, share and leave your comments down below. See you next time in my next video.